Okay, close your eyes for just a second. Imagine your absolute perfect place. You wake up, pour a fresh cup of coffee, and look around at walls that are exactly the color you picked, sitting in a neighborhood you actively chose. It feels entirely uniquely yours. Well, in today's explainer, we're diving into how that exact feeling gets built from the ground up, specifically looking at the vision of JK Engineering. Let's jump right in and see how constructing dreams actually plays out in the real world. So, do you want to build your dream home? It's a simple question, right? But man, it carries a heavy emotional weight. For so many of us, it's literally a lifelong aspiration. We spend years, and I mean years, scrolling through pictures, saving design ideas on our phones, mentally mapping out the perfect living space. But getting from that mental picture to actually turning a physical key in a front door, that can feel incredibly intimidating. Just imagine the stark contrast here. On one side, you have a completely empty plot of land. It's blank, it's probably a little muddy, and honestly, it represents a massive mountain of daunting work. But on the other side, the ultimate goal, a beautiful, move-in ready house. Now, the gap between these two realities is huge. It involves navigating permits, sourcing materials, managing labor, and absorbing a ton of stress. But as we'll see, the blueprint JK Engineering uses is designed to bridge that massive gap, guiding the whole project from that empty dirt right to the final polished doorway. Moving on to Section 1, Your Dream, Our Responsibility, the customer's dream home. We turn your dreams into reality. You know, building a home isn't just some basic financial transaction. It is deeply, deeply personal. It's the space where a family is going to grow, where core memories are anchored. When a construction firm frames a client's dream as their own personal responsibility, well, it changes the entire dynamic. It transforms the whole process from a stressful, confusing chore into a true collaborative journey. Okay, Section 2, Strong Foundation and Trust, Quality and Strength. Any top-tier construction really relies on three massive pillars. First up, a strong foundation, the literal, immovable bedrock of the whole project. Second, good materials. We're talking high-grade steel, premium cement, the specific elements designed to stand up to the test of time and tough weather. And third, the working laborers. Picture the active site just alive with energy, heavy machinery moving perfectly in sync with dedicated, highly skilled workers. It's really a symphony of hard work and precision. So what does all that sweat, steel, and concrete actually add up to? Simply put, work that is durable and reliable. Think about it. When you are sleeping soundly inside your house on a really stormy night, you aren't actively thinking about the brand of cement they used deep down in the foundation, right? You're just feeling safe. That profound feeling of safety is the ultimate, lasting outcome of rigorous, uncompromising construction standards. That brings us to Section 3, from beginning to the keys, the entire process. A truly structured building process brings much-needed order to the total chaos of construction. Step 1 is planning, nailing down those blueprints and the grand vision. Then things move smoothly into Step 2, construction, where all that heavy lifting we just talked about happens. Step 3 is finishing. This is the fun part, the meticulous paint jobs, the beautiful tiles, the fixtures that make a structure actually feel like a home. And finally, Step 4, the ready house. By managing this entire chronological flow end to end, a firm like JK Engineering takes on the full responsibility, so thankfully you aren't left chasing down a plumber on Tuesday and an electrician on Wednesday. Section 4. Trust in every brick. Meticulous craftsmanship. Now, let's zoom in a bit. Notice the detail of a single brick being laid, the trowel smoothing the cement with absolute precision. This is where the magic really happens. It's not just about slopping materials together as fast as possible. It's about the detailed craftsmanship in the mortar, the exact perfect alignment of the bricks, the optimal mixing of the cement. Because true, unbreakable trust isn't built during the grand final reveal. It's established right here, in these smallest, often completely unseen details. And this leads to a promise that every prospective homeowner desperately wants to hear from their builder. We take care of every small thing. When a company's process obsesses over the micro details, the stuff you might never even notice once the drywall is up, it provides a profound sense of peace of mind. It ensures that the structural integrity is just as flawless as the cosmetic finish. Moving to Section 5, Your Home, Your Identity. Custom Design. We absolutely aren't talking about cookie-cutter, copy-and-paste houses here. Custom design means the layout works flawlessly for your family's specific daily routine. Varied home designs mean the exterior matches your personal aesthetic, whether that's ultra-modern, traditional, or honestly something totally in between. Ultimately, it all boils down to one highly important point: your choice. The finished product becomes a unique fingerprint of your personal identity. And here is the finish line: a ready house and a completely happy family. Just picture the scene. The construction dust is all cleared away, the keys are finally handed over, and a family is standing joyously inside a completely finished, structurally sound, beautifully customized living space. All that anxiety about the empty, muddy dirt plot from earlier, it's completely gone, replaced entirely by the sheer joy of a dream realized. The absolutely crucial takeaway from exploring this process is simple. Contact today, your dream home is no longer far away. If you've been sitting on the sidelines, kind of intimidated by the sheer complexity of building, let this framework be the proof you need. With a partner who takes full, meticulous responsibility from the ground up, that massive dream is actually highly, practically achievable. Here is the direct line to take that very first step: 0966229219. Definitely save this number, because every towering achievement, every beautifully customized home starts with just a single conversation. So, I'll leave you with this final thought. What exactly does your dream home look like? And really, what's stopping you from making that first call today?